I'll show you how to translate any video into any language with AI.
Te muestro cómo traducir cualquier video a cualquier idioma con IA.
Ich zeig dir, wie du mit KI jedes Video in jede Sprache übersetzt.
AI でどんな動画でも好きな言語に翻訳する方法を見せます。मैं दिखाता हूँ AI से कोई भी वीडियो किसी भी भाषा में कैसे ट्रांसलेट करें।
And the funny thing is, I don't even speak Spanish or German or Japanese or Hindi. I just recorded the English version, and then everything else was done with the AI. And what's really impressive isn't that it just translated it, it's that it still sounds like me. You know, not some generic AI robotic voice, but my voice. And even if you look at the lip sync, it still matches what I'm saying. And I did all of that using Synthesia's brand new AI video translator. And I honestly think it's the best AI video translator out there right now. And it's really easy to use. Just upload a video or even paste in the YouTube link, pick from more than 140 languages and regional accents, and then hit generate. And you've got a version that looks and sounds like you actually speak that language. So let me show you exactly how it works. So first, head over to Synthesia's AI video translator page. You can hit the link in the description below, and I'll pin it in the comments as well, so you can follow along. Oh, and before we get started, you do not need a credit card for this, because Synthesia actually gives you your first minute completely free. All right, so now let's go ahead and translate a video. So you can either upload a video from your computer, or if it's already on YouTube, even easier, just paste your link in here instead. I'm just going to upload the intro from this video that you're watching right now. Next, let's choose the target language. And as I say, you've got 140 plus languages here to choose from. So for this one, I think I'm going to go with Chinese. And now before we generate it, there are just a couple of options that I think are worth pointing out. So lip sync is switched on by default, which is what makes your mouth movements match that new language. And if your video's got multiple people speaking, then multi-voice keeps each speaker's voice separate, which is I think a really nice touch. Now let's go ahead and then click Translate for free. And if you don't already have a Synthesia account, you'll just need to create one really quickly. They'll send you a verification code by email, so enter that and you're in. Now, Synthesia automatically detects the original language, and then it gets to work translating your video. Now, how long this takes will depend on how long your video is, so I'll jump ahead once it's finished. All right, and now it's done. Let's see how it turned out.
我来演示一下怎么用 AI 把任何视频翻成任何语言。有意思的是，西班牙语、德语、日语、印地语
And that's come out really well. Like, I cannot speak a single word of Chinese, but somehow it still sounds like me. And it's not just the voice either, it's kept to the way that I speak as well. And the lip sync, absolutely spot on. So yeah, that's really it. One video in, over 140 languages out. So whether it's a YouTube video or a product demo, whether you're making training videos or podcast clips, or really kind of any video that you've already made, you can now make it available to people all over the world without having to record the whole thing again. And that's why I think Synthesia's AI video translator is the best AI video translator out there right now. I know it's definitely the best one that I've used. If you haven't tried it yet, don't forget, check out that link in the description, give it a go and see what you think. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, drop us a like, subscribe, and of course, I will see you in the next one.